Time to service and polish this Richard Mille RM030. Look at the scratches. Let's use the 200 times zoom keyence microscope to observe more in details. Now, let's get started. If you are looking for a reliable watch service center to service, polish, and authenticate your watch, visit us at our outlet at Far East Plaza, Singapore. Want to learn more about watches? Follow us on our social media and subscribe our YouTube channel. Let us know in the comment section down below what brand you'd like to see us cover next.